Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Endurance International, and if you can look at this stock, so we are looking at a weekly chart, and although the overall trend is on the downside, but the kind of upswing we have right now or in the current share price, it does make some sense to check out this trend, because as you can see from the lows of 2020 March, it has already up by 619%. And this is not like it's a one-way rally and there is no correction consolidation in between. So as you can see, the stock has corrected, consolidated, and again makes a move. So it looks like a healthy bounce back. So we are going to discuss about that. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now with this, if you can just look at this chart, so what you can get is your previous trend. Okay, so here you have your previous trend. Now as you can see here, this is your previous trend or support and resistance level. And with this move, actually lots of things has changed in this particular script. So we are going to check each and every level one after another. So here we have, okay, here we have the trend. Now as you can see here, the levels, previously your support was 6.26 and your resistance was $12. So the stock has been trading in between this range since 2016 till 2019, after which the stock makes a breakdown in the later part of 2020 and 2019, and it continues till 2020. Here we have, okay, and it had already touched its lower end of the range or made its lower low at $1.33. Now with this backdrop, if the stock moves by 600 or 700% on the upside, obviously it does change the trend, even not for the, if not for the long term, obviously for the short term. Now as you can see here, if the stock has been trading, previously it was trading below 6.26 or $6, the trend was completely bearish. Now with this up move, when the stock moves above 6.26, it makes the trend a bit neutral or on the upside. Okay, so with this you have your first support at $7.6, then you have your next support at 6.64 and final support at 6.26, and on the upside you have your first target or resistance at 9.66, above which you have $11 and further you have $12. Okay, so this level is very important, about $12. Why? Because if it does not move above $12, then obviously it will fall back sharply. But if it indeed makes a breakout and sustain above $12, then you have your next target and 15, and probably the previous high of $22 is not far away. Okay, so this is the kind of trend we can look on the upside, but also on the downside where your risk lies. If the stock falls below 6.6, then you should get alarmed, one should get alarmed, and after which you have your next support at 5.23. so these two levels are very important. First, if the level of 6.26 gets violated, obviously one need to take care of that, and if somebody is not comfortable with the risk, one should just simply move out from the trend. Okay, move out from the trade. Now if the level of 5.23 breaks, then obviously you are looking for a big downside, and you will get your next support at for 3.55, and after which the stock will directly get its support at 1.08 and 1.3. so these are the important level which one needs to look at, and understanding the way the trend is moving, we should react accordingly. But with this current trend and the way it is moving, the probability of $11 and $12 are very high. So let's look at that. Then we are going to check another levels once the stock take its position about how the stock is about to move after or in between the trend. Then we will decide accordingly about the trend. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.